Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Derringers. Are they good for self-defense or are they not? They do have some pros and cons in them. You know, first of all, you got the size, the gun capacity, the weight, and trigger pull. I used to carry my Bond Arm 9mm for self-defense, but guys, this is a beast of a gun. If you have one of these, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I had an issue not too long ago where my grips just fell right off. I don't know, they put these cheap rubber grips on there, and it would have been a very bad situation had I had to use this to defend my family or anything. But again, they're not meant for long distance. These are for up close and personal. They're not very accurate at all, but again, they're fun to have and they're a great addition to your gun collection. If you don't have one, I would recommend getting one. Like I said, they're a lot of fun. They're not like the old Derringers. They're very different. Things have changed with these. They're not this Bond Arms have a rebounding hammer to it. So like I said, it's not where the other old Derringers where you drop it on the hammer, it's gonna fire. But again, this thing is almost 20 ounces, so it's very heavy. It's very well made. I polished mine up, as you can see, and we're gonna take a couple shots and see how it does with it, guys. And then we're gonna switch over from that. We're gonna try this 38 Bearman Industries. There's some people that think this shoots 38 and 357 magnums, but it doesn't. It's 38 special only. This particular gun does not shoot 357 magnums. Bond Arms, it has a hinge screw right here. You could take it out and get you another barrel for a different caliber if that's what you want to do. There's multiple barrels that you can buy for this to switch between calibers, which is a very nice feature. I don't think you can do that with that 38 special, but again, they're still fun to shoot. This gun is very, very well made, guys. I mean, it's a monster. Like I said, have it in your pants pocket, in a holster or whatever, you definitely can feel the weight to it. Like I said, it's almost 20 ounces. This feels a lot lighter. This would be a good gun to carry to your mailbox or out to your deer blind just to have a gun with you. But again, you got to talk about capacity. You got 2 rounds and 2 rounds. Even though they're fairly easy to load, I mean, is it good for self-defense? I mean, I don't know. I don't carry it for self-defense anymore. I use my North American Arms 22 Magnum or one of my LCPs, my 380s. But I did carry this for multiple years, several years. I think about 4 years, up until about a year and a half ago. But let's take a couple shots with it and see how we can do from probably, I don't know what, 5-10 yards and see. Like I said, this isn't a gun for target shooting. This is for up close and personal. This thing kicks like a mule, guys. Hit that spring lever there, tilt it up, the shells fall right out. We'll try this 38. I didn't even see if that even hit the target, to be honest with you. Let's see if I can focus a little bit better with this 38. Oh, that was a dud. All right, let's try it again. Again, not a good gun for target shooting. But nonetheless, like I said, it's a... Oh, the smell of that fresh gunpowder. It's a nice gun to add to your collection. I think I hit it kind of to the top right here. Yeah, so not bad. I don't know if this was from this one or from the 9mm, but again, guys, it's a lot of fun to shoot them. If you don't have one, I would highly recommend getting one. They're very inexpensive. You could pick these up dirt cheap. And like I said, with the Bond arms, there's multiple barrels that you can purchase to have different calibers with it. And it's a lot of fun to shoot. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you guys all have a great weekend.